What is up, guys? WINDSTORM here, bringing you guys a gameplay of GTA 4 online with my boy Bebop. Oh, look at this guy. He thinks he's all gangster. And you guys will hear them speaking during the gameplay, but this gameplay is actually more important than just commentary. This is just like an intro commentary. If you guys haven't checked out my troll video, just go check that out. Yeah, he tried to kill me, but go check that troll video out. It's called Trolltology number 1 or Trolltology 1. I did not mean to make the thumbnail a girl, but you guys can see when I put the girl on, it's in context of, you know, whatever. And this video is actually a prank call, and I'm not sure if this is a prank call, but these random girls and their posse called me. It was really weird, so I decided to record it. It was actually a really bootleg thing. I had my Yeti mic on the side of the phone and everything else. It was really bootleg. But I'm gonna put it on after this, because this gameplay is about like 30 something minutes and the call was like 20 minutes. I'm gonna cut this video short, but I just want to give you that context. What they told me, they were trying to phone the Cheesecake Factory and their finger slipped into the butthole. I'm joking, but their finger slipped, and yeah, so I just happened to record what they're saying and shit. Yeah, it was kind of weird. I was actually playing Portal 2 during that time, and this happened yesterday. I'm not sure if I'm not uploaded right away, but it's pretty entertaining, and yeah, it's some pretty entertaining gameplay. Oh, B-ball snakes me here. No, he doesn't. Oh, he can't get me, son. Alright, so thanks for watching, guys. Just wait a few seconds and it'll load up, you know what I'm saying. WINDSTORM out for now.
Oh, you guys have to back the private match. So you have to do the whole thing. Watch the video again, go in private match, back out, and join the team. Tell us what you're done doing that. Go do it right now. Yeah, and then you leave the lobby, then you go back. So you go in private match, you leave the lobby of the private match, and join Manwinder's gaming.
In your background.
I love cheese.
He likes cheese, guys. Have you a red bun?
Say that again.
Have you ever had fun?
You're the other thing I've ever had one. I couldn't hear you. Say it again.
Say it again louder. Have you ever had fun?
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 F-U-N?
Yes, he said, have you ever had fun?
With what?
He's like, with what? I don't know, she's sick-minded.
Suck my dick? What? The fuck?
What?
What the hell? Man, that shit going crazy.
She's sick-minded. I made a new best friend!
Hey, girlfriend.
Do you go to Northern?
Do I go to Northern? Maybe I do.
You know Caitlin made you.
1 minute, the eyepiece fell out. The earpiece. Yeah, so Sucker, what are you guys doing right now? We're a commentator or a homo?
Call me maybe.
What is that again?
Do you like poo?
I do not like poo.
You said I do not like poo.
Man, they're asking me questions.
Who are you talking to? Your posse?
I'm on my Xbox, man. I'm talking with some boys.
You're talking about some boys, so you're gay?
What if I am gay? Was that to you?
I don't know.
Why, you Christian?
Yeah.
That's what I thought, bitch.
I have no problem with gay people. They're very nice.
No, you hate them. Why are you lying?
Why are you telling me what I hate?
Man, don't be like Mitt Romney. I know this shit.
You don't know nothing. My posse is staring at me.
That's nice.
Ew.
What a nice life, hey? Man, I gotta do some shit.
I think she's gay.
Okay, I'm just wondering if you have any Xbox 360s that could play it.
Hey, you have no right to call me a beach, cause you ain't got no right.
I wasn't talking to you.
You hear me, beach? You hear me?
I wasn't talking to you. I was talking to my friend.
I like Shih Tzu puppies. Ow, my hair. You're hurting me.
Please don't. Sorry, but
Do your feet smell like pumpernickel?
I don't know what that is. I do not know what that is.
That hurt. Her foot just went up my donkey butt. Hello?
What's up?
Do you hear the voices?
No, I don't hear the voices. Talk louder. Put it on speaker or something. Put it on speaker.
Voices.
No, I don't.
Do you hear the voice?
Hell no.
Do you hear the voices?
Okay, here.
I think my bestie ditched me. Hey, girl. Girl. Girl.
Hello. Here, I'll show you something.
How are you supposed to show me something? Oh my god, you're my best friend.
Here it comes. That?
It's the best song in the world, only.
I know. I love it. It's so nice.
So, do you have a girlfriend?
Do I? This is my favorite song too. I love this. This is my favorite. I'll let you listen to
What did
What do you want?
Do you like Eminem?
Do I like Eminem? I don't hate him, so I must like him.
You shouldn't, because he sold his soul to the devil.
Well, I don't like Justin Bieber.
I hate Justin Bieber. I like Mariana's Trench.
Isn't that like in the sea out somewhere or something like that? Alright, give me a second, somebody's calling. Hello? What's up? So why are you calling again?
Why am I calling?
Yeah.
Well, as I was saying, I was calling the Cheesecake Factory.
So?
And then my finger slipped.
And you just happen to be with the posse?
Yeah. And we would like to know if you like Mariana's Trench.
I don't know who that is. 1 minute, let me check.
Okay, type in Fallout
okay,
on
it's there.
YouTube.
Yeah, it's there. Okay, relax. Let me hear it first. Okay, let's see if I like this. Some girl's getting raped by some guy.
Pretty much.
It's not a bad song. I'll listen to it for
I
like
know.
5 seconds.
You only listen to 5 seconds, but okay. What is your name?
I don't know. What's your name?
My name is Emily.
Emily what?
That is a little bit too personal, mister.
Okay.
I'm kidding, but I'm a male.
You're a male?
Yes, I'm a boy.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah. You got a friend in me. I don't know the song. What's your first name? I need to know that so I can make it into a gay name.
That's too personal too. You know what I'm saying? Just call me Windstorm, it's fine.
Okay. Windstorm. Blowhole is your new name.
Say that again, blowhole?
Blowhole is your new name.
Spell it out.
BLOWHOLE.
So it's BLW. It's BLW, not BLOW.
Oh my god, no! Hello?
What's up?
What's up? I like cheese.
That's nice.
I creeped your Facebook, hi.
That's nice. I don't really care.
Okay, I'm guessing that you have brown hair.
Nope.
Blonde.
Nope.
Black.
Nope.
Red.
Nope.
What the heck? Clay.
I have white
gray.
hair. I have white hair.
You have a white beard.
It's pure white, 100%.
That is a sexy beard. Okay. I'm guessing that you're very fat.
Nope.
I'm guessing that you're very skinny.
You can say I'm ectomorph. That's fine. I wouldn't say I'm skinny.
What?
200 pounds, maybe skinny. I don't know.
You're 200 pounds?
Yep.
Okay, so then I guess you're... I don't know.
Mesomorph? No.
Are you fat, are you skinny, or are you muscular?
Let's just say muscular.
I bet you're making up a fake appearance.
Well, I don't think I am. How
Okay,
much
are
do
you
bench?
black?
Am I black?
Yeah, you black.
Why does that matter?
No, I just want to know.
I don't know. Maybe I'm black, maybe I'm white, maybe I'm gray, maybe I'm fat, maybe I'm ugly, maybe I'm skinny, maybe I'm gray.
Okay, well, I'm gonna go now.
Okay, girlfriend.
Okay, girlfriend, maybe I'll call you later. Call me, maybe.
Okay,
Bye.
later. Oh yeah, and
Nice chatting with-
I forgot to tell you, this is gonna be up on YouTube. Thanks for the video.
What's your channel name?
I already told you.
What?
It's my name.
What's your name?
I told you, should have been listening.
No, I need to know your new YouTube channel.
Sorry. Gotta find
What
it.
is it?
What's my name?
I don't know. You never told me.
I told you my name.
No, you didn't.
I told you what to call me.
Windstorm?
Yeah, there you go.
Are you Jamaican?
Maybe I am. Rasta. Bomba Club.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna go.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye, girlfriend.
Bye, girlfriend. Cut the phone.
You hang up.
No, I can't hang up. You have to.
Why?
That's the rule.
I don't want to be mean.
You have to hang up.
No, you do.
Nope.
No, you hang up first.
I'm not hanging up. I'm gonna wait
What are you gonna wait for?
for you to hang up.
I don't want to be rude. Don't hang up. Okay, I'm gonna count to 3. Okay, girlfriend?
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
So you counted to 3. You happy now? Now count to 5.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now count to 1 to the exponent 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Do you like her? Freaking 17. I like cheese.
That's nice.
Okay, I'm gonna count how many light bulbs are in my room, and then I'm gonna hang up.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wait, what about this? What's the shape of Italy?
7, 8, 9,
What's the shape of Italy?
11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
There's not 15. Why you lying?
18.
Why you lying?
19, 20. Okay, bye.
Wait, what's the shape of Italy?
Spaghetti.
No, what's the shape of Italy?
It's round.
No, what's the shape of Italy? You
I
can
don't
Google
know.
it. Google it, hurry
Italian.
up. You don't have much time, then I have to go.
Okay, square.
What?
Square!
No. What's the shape of Italy?
I don't know. You tell me.
Find out. Hurry up. It starts with a B. It's something.
But,
No, it's B something.
a barnacle? A barnacle?
No, search it up in Google. What's the shape of Italy? Hurry up.
I don't want to.
It'll tell you the answer to your life and the whole entire universe, which is 42. Hurry up.
I don't want to.
Why not?
Because I'm too lazy.
You got a cell phone or something you can Google it on? Android, Apple, iPhone, something?
Yeah, but I'm too lazy.
Well, that doesn't get you anywhere in life.
I know.
You tell me the shape of
My
Italy?
dad is lazy and he's a successful mortgage development manager at Scotiabank.
That's nice. If you tell me the shape of Italy, I'll tell you my name.
Oh my god, I don't know!
You tell me, I'll tell you my name.
I don't know it though.
Just Google it. Just look at a map.
Eiffel Tower.
It looks like something you wear on your feet.
Shoes.
B.
Okay.
She's gone. She got kicked, son.